Today we're doing another art project, but we're only using materials from the local hardware store. So I decided the art project was going to be a skull, so I found a good reference photo and I used that reference photo to design what each layer of plywood was going to look like. Then I actually ordered this projector online so that I could project my drawing onto these pieces of plywood so that I could draw all the different layers to scale without having to guess and do it all by hand. This will be the top layer, and then it'll go down to the bottom layer. I haven't decided what we're gonna do for the background. I might stain it and do wood, or paint it all black, or paint it all white.